since they're not trained lions, we try our luck with throwing stones to divert Dexter's attention into the bush. Then we'll walk a little bit downwards so that he will walk back to us and ends up at that edge here. I'm really not sure if that's gonna work, but we'll try our luck. No, he does really not care. You see? Sorry, I can't push him up there. But you know, it's okay. I think it's good that this happens because it just proves that these lions are not trained, nor are they tame. They literally do whatever they want to do. And we never worked with them